My name is Meglena Hristova and I work for Group Medical Training for Emirates Airlines. Just finished my Master Black Belt training with Mr. Amitabh, and what I can say is the most beneficial in this training is the absolutely real life examples, mostly adapted to the service industry, which he used to explain quite complex statistical concepts. It's one thing to write a book or read a book, watch a movie, YouTube, but it's a very, very different thing to spare a moment to listen to your trainees, and that was me in the case, listen to your trainees and explain back with absolutely perfect example picked up from the relevant area. We had an example for bank industry, for financial industry from a bank, for a trainees coming from banks. We had IT examples for people coming from IT industry, training examples for me from training. Everything was adapted to the level of the audience. Everything was explained in a format and terminology jargon that most fitted the listener. So you could feel that it's not just to pass the time or cover the material. You could feel that the point of this course was that everybody walks out of the door better equipped and with higher confidence that we can do what we just learned. We understand and we can transfer from one context to another context. This transferability of knowledge, which is based on understanding, is something very rare nowadays. People are more about quantity of produced output, how many books, how many courses. But in this course, the accent was on how well and how confident you can do it. And that was the most amazing about the course.